Boveda Packs. Love these Boveda Packs. The only problem is they're not reusable. And when they get dried, typically, and most oftentimes, they're just thrown in the trash. I don't know who'd keep them unless you figured out a way to reuse them. And in order to do that, you gotta revive these suckers. Now, you guys all know that we experiment on a lot of things like revitalization and things of that nature. We did this one on cigars and whatnot, but today we got a good one. Steve Kwan, dubbed Drink Up, Burn Down. We're doing a little short video here, and I used 3 items to perfect this method of reviving Boveda Packs. And I'm gonna save you guys a ton of money because myself, I have 35 humidors. And with 35 humidors, I mean, these things are $6, $5 a pop. You do the math at $5, it's $175. Now for those of you that don't have 35, I get it. I got, first of all, you need a container that is waterproof, okay? I found I'm not sure what the dimension is, but it fits this ceramic bowl, which is the second item that you need to place inside of the container. And the reason why I use this is because that's what's gonna hold this mesh screen. This mesh screen is something that you can get on Amazon. I got it for cheap. You can cut it, you know, do all kinds of stuff with it. But the idea is to really have a system where something like this could sit on top of, okay, and so it could absorb the moisture. And let me tell you how well it's worked. Take a look at these babies. Boveda Packs, they come probably about half this size. I've only had this in here for maybe about 2 or 3 weeks, and they come, I mean, they turn out pretty juicy. And so I reuse them this way. Guys, this is the best method to do it. And again, the idea and the trick is to really keep things elevated, keep it dry. I did make a mistake on having these submerged, and what happened with that was the exterior just didn't, you know, handle it very well, and so they crumbled. You can also do these for the smaller packs as well. And what I've done with that is I just found a Tupperware with a 2-stage that actually can, you know, transfer the moisture from one side and keep this side dry. And take a look at these babies. Oh, I'm really excited about this. Bam! Look at that. That is awesome. So, guys, if you really like what I've done here, love to hear your comment. Hit the like button, subscribe,